The 7 contractual teachers of the state who had passed their Mtet examination had organized a press conference to announce their intention to hold protest programs should the state government of Meghalaya not induct them into their teaching positions within a fortnight's time. Speaking on behalf of the contractual teachers, Pikir Bhakaria said that ever since the High Court had responded to the petition of the teachers on the 28th of October 2022, where it has directed the government to reinstate the Mtet-Passed contractual teachers to their positions, they have not been getting any response from the government's end. Therefore, she added that they have given 2 weeks' time to it to respond to the High Court order, failing which the teachers will proceed with various agitational programs across Meghalaya.
Henry Omdandak Ero Nangta ngilas dang banwan mi chapo ki respective SDO ngila lekili pe ke order jong kokot kalalong ba wat hapo ke newspaper Highland Post apel kendai trik bena be chipeu arjar peu ar kala tho shai ke dari gi kerteng jong i baro niungut bangi lalong qualify bet ka kot ka relief yengi bangin long kinong hikai ki bala tebit bat ki bala biang bantungkan Henry day na kadaw ba ngimyo ay na kormen ngilas lek bu ro ka jing tho support director halor ka ngidon hang ne ya ki application ki bangi lek bu regarding application for appointment for the 7 teachers. These are the name of all the 7 teachers. I have it down. Srimati Fikir Bahakarya, Srimati Arbilang Suchiang, Sri Thalamuna Darnay, Srimati Laljoy Darnay, Srimati Merijon Ngamlai, Srimati Lalchon Puritate, Sri Shamiram Rishi. These are all the teachers who have been qualified to be appointed as a teachers because they have been saving so many years. Because of this, we have come to this. Iwan hangne daga jing kiam sim daga jing kebangi pa ka maset chaga government. Bahkan siang bahaban pule no ya ka order jong kokot bahkan pa no ya ka appointment jongi. Namar ba ngila dep bu ya ka jing tho nadu chief minister of Meghalaya nadu deputy chief minister of Meghalaya Sri Prason Tingsong education minister Sri Lakman Rumboy director of school and then respective SDSO ngila ibu ya kini jing tho baro la shi banai kamot latam shi banai kamot nadu ba ka order jong kokot kalami kalalong kamba ar banai chitego mentagas ngi wan hangne ban pha kane ka khubor shaga government ka ba ngim don ngim pha ngim lebu chu dagi jing tho shaga government nama ngila dep bu ngila dep kerpat gen shimbe bagane bangi wan hangne press club banado mentagas ngi Henry tarik Januari arjar paulai kalong ka khubor ka bangin pha no sya ka sarkar bahkan pha no yang ka appointment jongi hapo RTO lemda ka sarkar kamle ingi ngi ngimban se ngin sa shim ya ka sinjam bangin pelong daki jingi ki walangi don tang hniongro naman ngi lalong qualify ngi lalong eligible ngi wan hangne ngi don gi nongrim gi babiang namar balai baro ki NCT inom ngila pendem